Here's how you turn a lame-ass solo into a pretty cool one. First, you need to understand that playing music is not just about notes, scales, playing fast, or whatever your kids are into these days. Let me put it this way. If you had to play just one note the best way you can, how would that be? Like this? Okay, but how about something like this? Or like this? Through many different articulation and expression techniques, we can make a very simple sequence of notes sound like real music. Here's a lame-ass solo. Now here's the same solo with bending, hammer-on, pull-off, slide, whammy bar, and guitar faces. Send this to someone who needs to let their fingers loose.